There we go. Our phone's taking a little dip right now. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be testing out the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G to see if it can actually survive being submerged in water. This phone has an IP67 rating, which means it can technically withstand being submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. I don't recommend keeping your phone in water that long. In fact, I don't recommend ever getting your phone wet. But we're going to test out and see if we happen to get this wet and submerge it in water. Will everything still work, and will anything work underwater? So if you're interested in this phone or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. I have a full review video up, as well as a couple other videos like tips and tricks that you should check out while you're there. But first, a word from Visible by Verizon is a simpler way to do wireless for $30 a month. Yes, that includes taxes and fees. You can get unlimited talk, text, and data nationwide in the US on Verizon's 5G and 4G LTE network. Let's not forget about our unlimited hotspot at 5 megabits per second, built-in spam protection, and unlimited talk and text to our friends in Canada and Mexico. For $45 a month, you can choose the Visible Plus plan that features everything we just mentioned and more.
Wow.
You get 5G ultra wideband, premium network experience at 50 gigabytes, and additional international benefits, and a $10 a month savings on Verizon Home Internet. See our affiliate link in the video description for additional information. So here's the phone, powered on, ready to go. As you can tell, everything is working just fine. No issues at all with the device. Pay attention to the ports, right? We haven't sealed the USB Type-C port, the speaker grill, or anything else with the phone. So let's just drop it right into the water. Oh, woo-wee. There we go. Our phone's taking a little dip right now. Let's try to use it. The buttons aren't registering. Nothing is happening here. Try to pull down from the shade. Nothing. What about adjusting the volume? Hey, we can still adjust the volume. You can see that in there without my hands blocking it. That's fun. Interesting. All right, volume's all the way down. I'm actually surprised we can do that. Edge isn't working. We can't pull the edge out. Let's turn the display off. All right, we turned it off. Hey, back on. We're going to try the fingerprint sensor. Not wanting to work. What's fun is the face unlock was trying to scan there. So let me see if we can unlock it with our face. Oh, it said face doesn't match. It actually tried to read it. Oh man, that'd be so cool. Let's try that again. Oh man, face doesn't match. Come on. One more time. Oh, okay. I didn't have any luck, but I like to think maybe somebody could make that work down there. But as you can tell, no issues with it being submerged in water. But it's just not very useful in the water. Now I have it out of the water. Let's go ahead. Let's try to dry it off a little bit. Got to dry off my hands too. But everything... there we go. Everything should work just fine. Now for fun, I'm going to play a song out of the speaker and then put it back in the water and see what happens. All right, we're playing the song Dripping with Ice by Music Chef. This is stream safe music for content creators. We got it at max volume. Let's drop it in. All right, we got some bubbles up at the top and at the bottom. It's still working. I can hear it. That's fun. Interesting. Let's take it out. Yes, it's shooting water out the top and the bottom. Yes, you see all that water shoot out with the base? All right, cool. Everything still works great. So I don't recommend ever getting your phone wet, so keep it dry. But in the off chance you happen to maybe drop it in the bathtub, the shower, the toilet, your pool, things like that, you should be able to recover it and use it if you do it quickly. So it wasn't submerged longer than 30 minutes and it was in less than 1 meter, around 3 feet of water. Not a guarantee, but there is that protection built in. And I want you to know, keep in mind, that protection could wear off or go away over the course of the phone's natural usage. So if you do get it wet, it'd be in your best interest to do it sooner rather than later.